Oh shit! Fucking boost! Alright, what's up guys? I'm here at Eric's house. We're gonna install the, he's gonna help me install the PRL Cobra Intake. We're taking out the stock version and he's going to put in...
Oh, that's a stock one? Stock,
yeah. Oh, not the stock, the stage one, sorry.
Yeah.
The stage one. And then we're gonna put in the cold air intake from PRL. Just open in the box. Yeah, that's the stage one that you helped me.
What's that?
That's the stage one that you helped me like last time to put it on.
Yeah, yeah. So that's the second part, right?
Yeah.
A little step up. It's right here. Right, just hold it like that.
All right.
Slowly.
Yeah, because this is nice and straight and it's not touching anything either. You got good?
Hold on.
On the beat.
Nice and even. Over tighten it because that's plastic, man. See how this is plastic.
Yeah.
You just want to do it by hand. You know what I mean?
Yeah. All right, guys. So Eric just installed the intake. Took a minute, but it's all in. Just finishing up the bottom now.
Yep.
After that, we're gonna do a little sound test and see what's up. But it's looking good. All right, and also I'm going to install the fog light that Envision Motorsport that sent me a pair of fog light. My original fog light. The left one is good. The right one, the driver's side right, it's fading out. So I'm gonna change it out. I'm gonna show you guys like a before after and then see how it looks. There we go. So you can see my right side, passenger side, is not bright. The left side's okay, but Envision Motorsport, they sent me a pair of fog light and also like the interior light. So tonight I'm just going to do the fog light and I will show you guys like a before and after of what it looks like now and after I install it. Alright, these are the fog light from Envision Sport. Alright, I'm going to take out the one I got from Amazon. See what it looks like. Alright, here's the one that I got from Amazon. And here's Envision Sport. Alright, so the fog light is done. I'm gonna turn it on and see how it looks. Cleaning everything up now. Go and take it for the spin. Alright, so let's check it out. Wow, they are bright. Envision Motorsport hooked me up. Super bright yellow fog lights. Yeah, I'm loving it. Yeah, guys, check them out. Envision Motorsport. My hands look dirty, but here's the PRL.
That looks pretty
And
bright,
then
man.
here's Eric's Type R. Sheesh! Hey, look at these fucking exhausts. Right here?
Yeah, keep going.
Oh
Fucking
shit!
fucking boost!
That's what they call a Cobra, bro.
Hell yeah! Fucking.
Oh shit!
Fucking boost!
Oh shit!
Fucking boost! Worth an hour.
You go. Gun that shit, man.
Nice, man. Sounds good,
Man, it's like right now. It's like I was like already accelerating, so then like to gun it, you don't hear much, but it's like
No, there's a big difference, man. What the fuck?
Whoa,
You're good, man.
that sounds fucking good.
Yo, make it. Can I make it face that way?
Yeah.
I want to put it by the motor.
Right here?
Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Fucking. That sounds like a Cobra, man.
Yo, for
Fucking
real.
Cobra.
Sounds clean as fuck.
Fucking Bruce Lee shit, man.
Wow, that sounds fucking nice.
And he got up. Look how fast you are right away. I think on your side you can hear it more.
Yeah. All right, guys. I just got back from Eric's place. He helped me install the PRL, and then I helped a little bit, but most of it was him. So shout out to Eric for helping me out. And I also installed the fog light as well. I didn't film this part, the interior light, but this is how bright it is, guys. Like, look at this. Super bright. You could like see everything. It's probably hard to see because it's a GoPro, but like the dome, man, like it's super bright. Like way brighter than the OEM lights. Shout out to Envision Motorsport for sending me out the fog light and the interior light. I'm going to make like a video of like a drive-by video of the intake and the fog light at night sometime, like maybe tomorrow, and then I'm gonna post this as one video. So thank you guys for tuning in, but I'm gonna show you guys what the fog light looks like driving by, give you guys like an idea like how bright it is. I have the GoPro car mount, so I'm going to mount it like on the outside so you guys can hear the Cobra intake. This is a street version from the PRL. Man, I'm super pumped. It sounds so sick. I'm going to do that and all the other videos, and I'm gonna post it and then show you guys. So stay tuned. I will show you guys those videos, those clips. All right, peace.
Back up. I want my whole body.
Ooh.
Tori on the beat.
So you know we gotta get that. Y'all niggas say shoot your shot, but the Draco no kickback. There's soldiers out here on the block serving this and that. My nigga, it's okay if you ain't never been through that. Nah, I gotta stay on task. Yeah, I'm on your ass. Why you speeding, why you going so fast? Why this lifestyle moving so fast? Yeah, so fast. Whoa.